Pull-ups aren't just another back exercise you see people doing at the gym. They're one of the few movements that can completely rebuild your upper body and transform how you move through life. Most people think pull-ups are only about building a bigger back, but I'm going to show you what really happens to your entire body when you start doing them consistently. And trust me, the changes go way deeper than you think. The first thing that happens is your grip becomes unnaturally strong. When you hang from a bar supporting your full body weight, your hands, forearms, and fingers have to work overtime just to keep you there. This isn't the same as holding dumbbells or using machines. This is real, functional grip strength that translates to everything you do. Studies show that grip strength is one of the best predictors of overall health and longevity as you age. It's not just about opening pickle jars, although that's a nice bonus. A strong grip means better function throughout your whole body and a lower risk of injury as the years go by. Your hands and forearms are the connection point between you and the world around you. When they're strong, everything else gets easier. Carrying groceries, moving furniture, playing with your kids or grandkids, all of it becomes less of a struggle. Pull-ups force your grip to adapt and strengthen in ways that most exercises simply can't match. But here's where things get interesting. Your back muscles start to completely reshape themselves. The lats, those big muscles that run down the sides of your back, get wider and thicker. Your middle back muscles, the rhomboids and traps, start pulling your shoulder blades together and creating that defined, powerful look. But this isn't just about appearance. These muscles are responsible for keeping your posture upright and your shoulders healthy. Think about how most people walk around these days. Hunched forward, shoulders rolled in, neck sticking out like a turtle. That's what happens when your back muscles are weak and underdeveloped. Pull-ups reverse all of that. Every single rep forces your shoulder blades to move properly, pulling down and together. This retrains your body to hold itself the way it was designed to. Your posture improves without you even thinking about it. After a few weeks of consistent pull-ups, you'll notice yourself standing taller, sitting straighter, and moving with more confidence. Your body just naturally wants to stay in better alignment because the muscles responsible for that are finally strong enough to do their job. And while your back is getting stronger, something equally important is happening to your shoulders. Pull-ups build incredible shoulder stability and health. Your rotator cuff muscles, those small stabilizers that keep your shoulder joint safe, get stronger with every rep. These muscles are often ignored until something goes wrong. Most shoulder injuries happen because these stabilizers are weak and can't handle the stress of daily life. Pull-ups fix that problem before it starts. The movement pattern forces your shoulder to work through its full range of motion in a safe, controlled way. This builds real resilience in an area that breaks down fast if you neglect it. If you've ever had shoulder pain or discomfort, pull-ups done with proper form can act like free physical therapy. You're strengthening all the right muscles while teaching your body how to move correctly under load. Now let's talk about your core, because this is where most people get surprised. Pull-ups aren't a core exercise, right? Wrong. Your abs, obliques, and deep core muscles have to work incredibly hard during every single rep to keep your body stable and prevent swinging. When you hang from that bar and pull yourself up, your core has to brace to keep your legs from swinging forward and your lower back from arching too much. This is real core strength, not the kind you get from doing endless crunches on the floor. This is the kind of core strength that protects your spine when you're lifting something heavy, twisting to grab something, or bending down to pick up your groceries. The core muscles that fire during pull-ups are the same ones that keep you safe and stable during everyday movement. And because they're working to control your entire body weight, they get strong fast. Your midsection becomes more defined, sure, but more importantly, it becomes functional. You'll feel it the first time you do something physical and realize your back didn't hurt or your core didn't give out. Here's something most people don't realize. Pull-ups build serious arm strength without you even focusing on it. Your biceps and forearms get absolutely hammered during this movement. Every time you pull yourself up, your biceps are contracting hard to bend your elbows and bring your chest to the bar. Your forearms are working overtime to keep your grip locked in. This is the kind of arm development that actually looks natural and functional, not puffy or overdone. And because you're moving your own body weight instead of just lifting dumbbells, the strength you build carries over to real life. Need to pull yourself up over a wall? Done. Need to lift something heavy from an awkward angle? No problem. Pull-ups build the kind of arm strength that's useful in the real world, not just impressive in a mirror. But before we go further, I want to touch on something important. Pull-ups are powerful, but they work best as part of a complete approach to your health and fitness. If you're looking for a simple, organized plan to reset your entire body and feel 10 years younger, I put together a guide called Reboot Your Body. It's built specifically for people over 40 who want to move better, hurt less, and build a body that lasts. It includes a 30-day foundation plan, pain-specific fixes, and everything you need to undo years of damage in just weeks. The link is in the description below if you want to check it out. No pressure, just sharing what's worked for thousands of people already. Now let's get back to what pull-ups do for your body. One of the biggest benefits that nobody talks about is how they improve your overall athleticism and coordination. When you're hanging from a bar and pulling yourself up, your entire body has to work as one unit. Your brain has to coordinate all your muscles firing at the right time in the right sequence. This trains your nervous system to be more efficient and responsive. Over time, this improved coordination carries over into everything else you do. Your balance gets better, your reaction time improves. You move with more control and confidence in any situation. This is especially important as you get older. Falls and injuries often happen because your body can't react quickly enough to an unexpected movement. Pull-ups train your nervous system to be ready for anything. There's also a massive cardiovascular benefit that most people overlook. Yes, pull-ups build muscle, but they also spike your heart rate and challenge your lungs in a serious way. After a hard set of pull-ups, you'll be breathing heavy and your heart will be pounding. This is metabolic conditioning disguised as strength training. You're building muscle and burning fat at the same time. Your body has to fuel all that muscle engagement while keeping you stable and balanced. This combination turns your metabolism into a furnace. And because pull-ups are so efficient, they give you maximum results in minimum time. You don't need an hour on a treadmill. A few hard sets of pull-ups will do more for your fitness and body composition than most cardio ever could. Let's talk about the mental side, because this might be the most underrated benefit of all. Pull-ups are hard. There's no way around it. When you're hanging from that bar and your muscles are screaming and your mind is telling you to let go, but you pull yourself up one more time anyway, that's mental toughness. That's grit. That builds a kind of resilience that carries over into every other area of your life. Pull-ups demand focus. You can't check your phone or zone out. You're locked in, breathing, pulling, fighting gravity with every rep, and when you finally hit that goal you've been working toward, whether it's your first pull-up or your 20th in a row, that confidence boost is real. You start to believe you can do hard things. You stop doubting yourself as much. And that mindset shift affects everything from your career to your relationships to how you handle stress. But here's the truth most people need to hear. You don't have to be perfect at pull-ups to get all these benefits. Even hanging from the bar builds grip strength. Even doing negatives where you lower yourself slowly builds muscle and teaches your body the movement pattern. Progress with pull-ups isn't always fast, but it's always worth it. Every week you stick with it, you get a little stronger, a little more capable, a little more confident, and those small wins add up faster than you think. Before you know it, you're doing things you never thought possible. Your body looks different, feels different, moves different, and it all started with one decision to grab that bar and pull. So if you've been thinking about adding pull-ups to your routine, stop thinking and start doing. Your body will thank you for it in ways you can't even imagine yet. And if you want a complete system to build strength, fix pain, and feel younger, don't forget to check out Reboot Your Body in the description below. Now get out there, start pulling.